To grow, you need to win new business. This could involve rethinking the way you sell, getting new customers, perhaps in new markets, or changing your products or services. To achieve any of these, you may have to work with another business. We'll show you how to identify and then create ways to win new business. To start, you need to understand your own business inside out. The opportunities for growth will then be easier to spot. But how do you get a full understanding of your business? Well, a SWOT analysis could help. It will show your business's strengths and weaknesses, like price, quality, skills and customer service. The reason you are better or worse than the competition. It also shows the opportunities and threats outside your business, such as the competition, the economy and market trends. All the information from the SWOT analysis on things like your product, target audience, sales method and market could help identify new sales channels like selling online, by post or in bulk. It could help you to review your prices or to push into new markets. Could you sell nationally or even internationally? You could try to sell in a different sector. You may find that you need to develop new products or services to grow. This is known as diversification. Diversification can increase sales and open up new markets, but requires plenty of investment. You'll also need to run the business as normal whilst it grows. It's like setting up a new business, so takes a lot of work. But you could also consider sharing the workload by joining forces with another business, one that complements your goals and gives you access to new customers and new markets. However, to succeed, you'll have to learn to work well together. And remember, your business plan will have to change too. So before making any changes to try and grow, you should do careful research, give yourself clear goals and set step-by-step targets. So if you fully understand your business, by using a SWOT analysis, opportunities for growth will be much easier to spot.